Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're doing an unboxing. I'm here with Rayan the Techwizard and yeah, let's get to it. So today we have this. So that's Pokemon Pikachu Let's Go with the Pokéball. Are you excited to unbox this?
Yes. Come on.
Right, so this game just came out here in the Middle East and we're quite excited because it's officially launched here and it's launched as the bundle packet. So let's open it up. So the cool thing is it comes with Pokéball Plus and it comes with Mew inside the game. So the first thing that comes, what is that? USB Type-C cable. So that's pretty cool. And it comes with Pokéball. Wow, that's tiny. I was kind of expecting it to be a little bigger, but that's a tiny controller, huh?
No.
What?
There's a button on it.
Oh, that is really weird feeling. Okay. Looks like we're gonna have to play some Smash Brothers with this.
Yeah.
And the game, huh? That's the game. Cool. So that's a pretty cool package. But I'm more interested in this guy. Oh, yay. So this is what we get in the Middle East. We got a flimsy piece of paper and just a game card. Yay. At least we got it. That's cool. It'll be interesting to see how the game works. Alright, so I guess it's connected. Why don't you move around a little bit? Show off the controller. Bring it to the screen. That's an interesting Joy-Con controller. Oh look, it's Professor Oak. Wow, you got Pikachu. And now the ultimate question. Can we play Smash Brothers with the Pokéball Plus? Well, that's a bust. We can't actually play with the Pokéball controller because while it goes into the system and reads the system, it just doesn't work with Smash Brothers. I guess it's just dependent on Pokemon Let's Go. Oh well, at least we got the game system. And, I mean, we can answer the question now. You can't really play anything else except for Pokemon Go. Anyways, cool. So Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu and Pokeball controller. What do you think, Ryan? Thumbs up? 2 thumbs up. Good game, good way to...
4 thumbs up.
4 thumbs up, okay. I guess 4 thumbs up. Good way for kids to get into Pokemon and for adults to revisit it, and it's a nice touch that they gave us Mew for free. Cool.